From the 401 Storm Center, I'm meteorologist Damien Lotus. It's 4:30 a.m. here on your early Sunday morning. I'm going to give you a quick update here on the winter storm that's going to be making its way through parts of Oklahoma, bringing record-breaking snowfall across the state. A winter storm warning is in effect for all of the counties right there highlighted in that pink color, and a winter weather advisory is in effect for all the counties highlighted in that purple color. All these advisories and warnings, they go until 6 o'clock Sunday evening. Now, in the winter storm warning, we're expecting over 2 inches of snow. For the winter weather advisory, a trace up to 2 inches of snowfall. So we're going to see some record-breaking snowfall here for some parts of the state. And as of 4:30 here for your early Sunday morning, we've already seen some areas seeing over an inch of total snowfall across parts of the Oklahoma Panhandle. So the snow is starting to make its way into the state. So here's a live look at our storm scanner. Got the radar loop going on there for you. So across western and northwestern Oklahoma, it's snowfall. It's snowing pretty good up there. Now, that pink line you see right there, that's the freezing line. So that's whenever you start to see the transition between snow to sleet to rain. We got rain in southern Oklahoma, but right here, as you see across the Oklahoma City metro, radar is kind of having a hard time distinguishing what is what, because what we're seeing right now is we're seeing some pockets of rainfall, some pockets of some flurries, some pockets of sleet, and then it's going to slowly start to transition over to snow here over about the next hour or so. So by sunrise, most of what you're seeing outside should be either sleet or snow, so it should all start to be frozen. But the good news is not really tracking much of an ice threat, so we'll continue to watch that throughout the rest of the morning. So future track radar is showing that right around sunrise, that's when that freezing line is going to be pushing its way across the Oklahoma City metro. So heavy snowfall pushing its way in around 8 to 9 o'clock. And then as we head into the afternoon hours, yep, we're going to be seeing widespread snowfall across a majority of the state, peaking right around 12 to 1 o'clock this afternoon. We're going to see some pretty impressive snowfall totals here across the state as we head into the afternoon hours. But right around 3 to 4 o'clock, we'll start to see clearing across northwestern Oklahoma. And then right around sunset here for your Sunday, that's when we're going to start to see the snowfall pushing its way off to the east and to the southeast. And then it looks like we'll clear here for the Oklahoma City metro as we head into this evening. But this is looking like it's going to be a 77 county snowfall event as we head throughout the next 24 hours. So for your hour-by-hour planner here for the Oklahoma City metro, temperatures are going to peak right around sunrise. And then once the sun starts to push, or once the snow starts to push its way in, yeah, we're going to see temperatures dropping into the low to mid 30s. So it is going to be a cold day. Winds will be northerly, about 10 to 15, gusting up to 20 miles an hour. And there will be widespread snowfall pretty much all day. As far as the highs for this afternoon, these are your 5 o'clock temperatures, sub-freezing for majority of the state. The record for snowfall today in Oklahoma City is 1.8 inches, set back in 1985, and it's looking like we're going to blow past that record. This is the radar estimated additional snowfall here for the state of Oklahoma. So we could see anywhere between 3 to 4 inches of additional snowfall for Oklahoma City. And as of right now, the latest estimates have the highest bands of most snowfall right along Highway 33 between Kingfisher, Watonga, Guthrie, over through Stillwater. That's where it's looking like right now. We could see the most snowfall. So Kingfisher, Stillwater, over 6 inches of snowfall expected. Edmond, 6 inches. Now for Oklahoma City, it does say 4.5, but I will say that radar and these estimates don't take into account melting once the snowfall, that initial snowfall, comes into contact with the surface, which is above freezing. So I would take about an inch or two off of these totals, but still that gives us 2 to 2.5 inches of snowfall here for the Oklahoma City metro. And one of the things we like as meteorologists is whenever we start to see the snowfall totals from different weather models start to kind of converge and get close to each other, and that's exactly what we're seeing. We have a couple of outliers, but for the most part, a lot of these radar estimates, a lot of these computer model estimates have us somewhere between 3 to 4 inches of total snowfall. So whenever you take into account that inch where you got to take off for melting, yeah, we could see a good 2 inches of snowfall here for the Oklahoma City metro. And because of that, so far we've had a trace as of 4:30 here in your Sunday morning. Our record is 1.8 inches set back in 1985. It's looking like we're going to blow past that and see record-breaking snowfall for your Sunday. So kids, get ready to build a snowman, and it's going to be pretty good sledding snow as well if you got any hills around where you live. So for the impacts here for the Oklahoma City metro and northwestern Oklahoma, roads and bridges, there will be some slick spots on the roads and bridges. Wind chills, especially tonight and tomorrow morning, they're going to be in the teens, even single digits for some parts of the state, so I'm going to bump that risk up as well. Power outages, the good news is it's not really looking like much of an ice threat, so that's not going to be a very big issue. And for closures, there will be some schools closing here tonight and tomorrow as we head throughout the next 24 hours. And then here's a look at at your wind chills as we head into your early Monday morning, yeah, right around 2 to 3 o'clock, it could feel like teens for a majority of the state, and yeah, even some single digits here for tonight. And we're tracking more snowfall as we head throughout the week, believe it or not. On Tuesday morning, 6 a.m., watching the chance for snow across far northern Oklahoma. Some additional snowfall could push its way into the state Tuesday afternoon and last until Tuesday evening. So yeah, we are not done with the snowfall just yet. As far as how much snowfall are we expecting to see on Tuesday, once again, we can see anywhere between 1 to 3 inches of snowfall, primarily in northern Oklahoma, but it's definitely going to be something to see. So here for the Oklahoma City Metro, normally whenever you take away that inch, we'll see about a half an inch of total snowfall expected on Tuesday into Wednesday, but still impressive snowfall totals here over the next couple of days. So for today, record-breaking snowfall with that winter storm for your Sunday. Expect widespread travel issues. The roads and bridges will be slick as we head throughout today. We'll clear out on Monday before another winter storm pushes its way through the state on Tuesday. And then after that, we'll see some cooler weather as we head into the weekend, but sunny skies, and it's going to be dry. But in the meantime, we're going to have lots of updates. We're going to be having our Sunday morning shows coming up. So today is one of those days to remain weather aware, and we'll keep you forewarned.